Hello everyone, myself Sujit Sanjay Patil, faculty Shri Jain Vidya Prasarak Mandals, Rasiklal M. Dhariwal, College of Pharmacy, Chinchwad, Pune. In this video, we are going to discuss about antiarrhythmic drug. Contents, definition, classification, antiarrhythmic agents and their examples and uses of antiarrhythmic agents. Arrhythmia, disturbances in heart rate, rhythm, impulse, generation or conductance of electrical impulse responsible for membrane depolarization. These disturbances can lead to alteration in overall cardiac function that can be life-threatening. Antiarrhythmic drugs, compound used to prevent or treat cardiac arrhythmias. Classification of antiarrhythmics. Class first, sodium channel blocker. Class second, beta adrenergic blocker. Class third, potassium channel blocker. Class fourth, calcium channel blockers and miscellaneous. Class first, sodium channel blockers, in which prolonged repolarization, shorten repolarization, little effect on repolarization. These are the three types of sodium channel blockers. Quinidine, D-isomer of quinine obtained from cinchona bark. Mechanism of action: blocks sodium channel automaticity, conduction velocity and prolongs repolarization. Decrease phase O depolarization and increase APD and ERP. Other action: decreases or blocks BP skeletal muscle relaxation, uses atrial and ventricular arrhythmias. Adverse effect: arrhythmias and heart block, hypotension, QT prolongation, GIT thrombocytopenia, hepatitis, iodosynerkratic reaction, in high doses, synchronism like quinine. Procanamide, derivative of procaine. No vagolytic or alpha-blocking action, unlike quinidine. Better tolerated. Adverse effect: nausea, vomiting and hypersensitivity reactions. Higher doses can cause hypotension, heart block and QT prolongation. Dispyramide, significant anticholinergic properties: dry mouth, blur vision, constipation, urinary retention. These are the adverse effects. Lignocaine, local anesthetic, raises threshold for action potential and decreases automaticity. Suppress electrical activity or arrhythmogenic tissues. Normal tissue less affected. High first pass metabolism, so given it parenterally. Uses: it is used in ventricular arrhythmias. Adverse effects are drowsiness, hypotension, blurred vision and confusion and convulsions. Phenytoin, antiepileptic, also used in ventricular arrhythmias and digitalis induced arrhythmias. Mexiletine can be used orally, causes dose-related neurological adverse events like tremors and blur vision. Nausea is common. It is used as alternative to lignocaine in ventricular arrhythmias. Class second drugs suppress adrenergically mediated ecotopic activity. Antiarrhythmic action due to beta blockade depress myocardial contractility, automaticity and conduction velocity. Propranolol, treatment and prevention of supraventricular arrhythmias, especially associated with exercise, emotion or hyperthyroidism. Ismolol, short-acting, can be used to treat arrhythmias during surgery following MI and other emergencies. Amiodarone, iodine-containing long-acting drug, mechanism of action: prolongs APD by blocking potassium channels, blocks inactivated sodium channels. Beta blocking action: blocks calcium channel, decrease conduction, decrease ectopic automaticity. Pharmacokinetics: variable absorption, 35 to 65%. Slow onset for 2 days to several weeks. Duration of action weeks to months. Many drugs interaction. Amiodarone use. It can be used for both supraventricular and ventricular tachycardia. Adverse effect cardiac, heart block, QT prolongation, bradycardia, cardiac failure and hypotension. Pulmonary pneumonitis leading to pulmonary fibrosis, bluish discoloration of skin, gastrointestinal tract disturbances, hepatotoxicity. It blocks peripheral conversion to T4 to T3 can cause hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism. Bretylium, adrenergic neuron blocker used to resist ventricular arrhythmias. Statol, it is beta blocker. Dofetilide, selective potassium channel blocker, less adverse events, oral use in AF to convert or maintain sinus rhythm. Ibutilide, potassium channel blocker used as intravenous infusion in AF or flutter can cause QT prolongation. Verapamil, it is used as terminative in PSVT and it is also used to control ventricular rate in atrial flutter or fibrillation. That is, it also used in atrial disturbances or atrial disease. Drug interaction, it displays digoxin from binding site. It also decreases renal clearance of digoxin. Other antiarrhythmics, adenosine, purine nucleotide having short and rapid action, mechanism of action, acetylcholine sensitive to potassium channels and cause membrane hyperpolarization through interaction with A1 type of adenosine GPCRs on SA node. Suppresses automaticity, AV conduction and dilates coronaries. Drug of choice for PSVT, adverse events, nausea, dyspnea, flushing and headache. Atropine is used in sinus bradycardia. Digitalis, atrial fibrillation and atrial flutter. Magnesium SO4, digitalis induce arrhythmias. Thank you.